Basa na ho ako guys. Now ako nakapag-vlog. Down guys if you wanted me to. Never mind that. The branches of it looking. Guys, first time niyo ako makikita na kaganito. Please don't tell other people.
Mas makita sa vlog mo nag-vlog. Why? Girl, abang kita ka lang ako pa. Wag gibi ako t-shirt lang sa balay. Vlog ka rin.
Our outing after
how many of existing in planet Earth?
Nahihiya ako. Very nahihiya ako sis.
Practice rin ron.
Liwat. Feeling ko talaga guys, pag nakita ko ng nanay, tatay ko guys, i-disown nila ako guys. Kaya,
Okay ka nakamanta.
buhay na ka man gin-disown. Sexy, very cutesy, very demurability. Oh my gosh. Those are my best friends and yeah. Papaisip siguro kayo guys why I am beautiful. It's because of them. Di naman kami mag-best friend if we don't look beautiful, right? Depende ka ninyo. This is the part 2 kang aman nga drawing.
Malag ka na.
Pero, yes, we're waiting until you're...
We never try. Nagawang. Sarap ka bang filter? Yan lang.
Update, basa na ho ako guys. Hello guys. Today is January 3, 2025 and Happy New Year to all of you. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog because I was sick since December of 2024. Kahapon lang ako like fully nawala yung sakit ng ulo ko. So, yeah. I hope you understand why I couldn't vlog. I'm still dealing with, as you can see guys. Kasi noong December 24, before Christmas Eve, nakagat ko yung labi ko guys. Nakagat ko siya dito. Eh di syempre, no, nakagat ko siya, dumugo. Naging sugat. Before New Year, nakagat ko siya ulit. The same wound. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya ayos. Lumalaki lang siya ng lumalaki. So, wala ako sa mood every time. And surprise pala guys. I cut my hair. Like December 29, December 30. Basta, I cut my hair a few days ago. And, ta-da! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! And today is January 5, 2025 and mamaya-maya lang ay babalik na ako sa Sibalam kasi may pasok na bukas and I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. Hindi pa naman ako ganun ka, like bumabalik pa talaga yung sigla ko kasi kagagaling ko lang sa sakit and I'm not that 100% healed pa. Pero maglalaba ako before ako pumunta sa Sibalam. So, ito yung mga lalaban ko yan, and also there and there. So, marami akong lalaban ngayon. And actually, guys, sobrang kalat ng bahay ngayon. Nare-realize nyo rin ba, guys, that I'm becoming more talkative sa mga vlogs ko? When I started vlogging, kasi puro lang ako caption and stuff like that. Tapos bigla na lang, dami ko na sinasabi. Comment down guys if you wanted me to go back to that occasionally speaking vlog or like gusto niyo ba yung kinakausap ko yun ng ganito? Because today is January 7, 2025 and yes, I think I am 90% recovered na from all the illness that I've got for the past weeks. Papunta ako sa UA because re-review ako for the final exam later. Finals week namin ngayon. So yeah, wish us luck. Bye! Sawa na? Hindi mo lang comparing the expected results to actual results.
Wait, dali kasi yung nag-blows ka open.
Yun na sulat ko dahil.
Ano yun?
Ikaw ba siya open ko dyan?
Oo, talaga open ka sa nambak ko kanina. Dapat ikaw ko na. Gusto mo open mo siya. Ikaw na lang.
Hi guys! Gamit ang gilid. We have fried chicken and rice. Ay, bahal ba? Sulit pa. Jollibee ang David.